I'm Rory from Advanced Accessory Concepts, home of the Trigger controller, and today we're going to talk about our new universal mounts for your Trigger 6-shooter wireless accessory controller remote. This guy. So all of your Trigger controllers come with a basic mount that's contoured for a roll bar. We had a lot of people say, hey, that doesn't really work for me in my application. So we've come up with our pedestal style mount and our universal flat mount that can be used with clips on your sun visor. So let's get started with part number 2020. This is the pedestal mount. This is your Trigger controller. So we can mount this on the dash, facing you. We can mount this up above, underneath the dash, all sorts of different ways, sideways, you name it. This will be great for runners. This is awesome in the center of the console. Tacomas, this is awesome in the center of the console. This right here is a universal flat mount. So people didn't like the contours we had on the back. So we came out with the flat mount. You can mount this flat on any surface. Tacoma owners, Ranger owners, anybody with a flat surface, this will work. And then we include the clips. If you so choose, you can mount this on your sun visor, just like your garage door remote. So each kit's gonna come with everything you need inside it. Let's take a look at the 2020. Comes with all the hardware, 3M VHB tape. All of this comes disassembled. As the instructions show, you will need to assemble it, and we even include this fancy screwdriver for assembly. Now, on the universal pedestal mount, it does come with this cool little base. You can screw this down or tape it down, and this slides and locks in place with the included clip, which is cool, so you can take this off if you don't need it or you're not using it. So, part number 2020 and 2021, universal flat mount and pedestal mount for your Trigger controller 6-shooter remote. Check it out on triggercontroller.com.